So now with this tool, Claude found a Postgres extension that will do trigram matching. Now we can do fuzzy searches for ingredients. And Claude didn't just guess at this, it looked it up. Let's say I'm building a recipe finder app. You know, you've got eggs, flour, butter in your fridge. What can you make? We're gonna need a database for that. I'm gonna ask Claude to design the database, and we'll see what happens when an AI coding agent is just vibing versus when it actually has access to the Postgres docs and curated, opinionated Postgres best practices using pg-aiguide. We'll start with the prompt. I'm gonna ask it to create our schema for our recipe finder app, letting users search by the ingredients they have. Let's see what Claude comes up with. And Claude gives us this. This is classic over-normalized CRUD. So if we're going to find recipes, we have to, join through a junction table and do string matching? And how would we even search for eggs when the ingredient might be stored as egg or large eggs? Let's try having Claude write a query now. So this is gonna be slow, and it's not even gonna work that well. We've got multiple joins, and this is just gonna be non-performant. It, again, was technically correct, but if we really knew what we were doing in Postgres, this isn't how we would do it. Let's go ahead and install the Claude Code plugin for pg-aiguide. Now you can use pg-aiguide in other tools like Cursor, Codex, Windsurf, or any MCP compatible editor as well, but it's super simple to install it as a plugin in Claude Code, like this. 2 quick commands, and here we go. Let's go back and see how it works. Now that we have pg-aiguide installed, let's see what happens with that same prompt again. Interesting. Now it's searching the Postgres documentation specifically and using all of these best practice skills and tools. Now we're talking. Postgres arrays, ingredients are just stored right in the recipe table, and a GIN index for fast containment queries. And let's see what that query looks like now. So here we go, that one line, and like it says, that operator means contains all elements. And with this GIN index, it's very fast, even if we had thousands of recipes. But what if someone types egg instead of eggs? So now with this tool, Claude found a Postgres extension that will do trigram matching. Now we can do fuzzy searches for ingredients. And Claude didn't just guess at this, it looked it up. pg-aiguide MCP server for Postgres. Free, open source, works with Claude Code or any MCP compatible coding agent. Stop getting Postgres that kind of works and start getting Postgres that works well.